Tesla Cybertruck production is up at Giga, Texas. Tesla continues to ramp up Cybertruck production at its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. And one observer over the weekend said that output for both the electric pickup and Model Y seems to have increased. On Sunday, drone operator and longtime Giga Texas observer Joe Tetmeyer shared a video of the factory taken that morning. In it, you can see the several dozens of Model Y units and Cybertrucks, along with additional analysis of the arrival of the Boring Company's Prufrock 3 tunneling machine. Tetmeyer said in a post on X that production of both the Cybertruck and Model Y looked noticeably up during the rare Sunday flight, adding that the outbound lot was very active. In shots of the outbound lot, you can see at least 17 Cybertruck units. Joe estimates around 20 at the time of flying, along with several dozen Model Y units. He also estimates that Tesla is putting out 8 or 9 Cybertrucks per hour. Though he adds that it's tough to tell since he's only capturing a few minutes' worth of the outbound lot. Notably, and as Tetmeyer points out, you can see in the outbound lot that Tesla is grouping the Model Y and Cybertruck units together, as it has been doing for the last several weeks. Cybertruck production is expected to continue ramping up over the next year or so, after the automaker began non-employee deliveries of the vehicle just earlier this month. At that point, the Cybertruck had largely only been delivered to Tesla employees and celebrities. In addition to showing the busy outbound lot, the video includes a broad flight sweep of the entire Gigafactory, showing a broad range of the site's ongoing construction projects. You can see a layout of Gigafactory Texas below, as put together by Tetmeyer. Closer to the beginning of the video, Tetmeyer shares a detailed discussion about the recent arrival of the Prufrock tunneling machine. After some viewers earlier this month spotted installation hardware that looked like what the Boring Company had previously used for its tunneling projects, Tetmeyer says he relied heavily on analysis from some of these viewers who knew more about the Boring Company's machine than him. As you can see in the video, Tesla seems to be prepared to tunnel beneath Highway 130. And some viewers have estimated it will take 2 to 4 weeks for them to tunnel the roughly 1,000-foot 300-meter distance once tunneling starts. He also adds that viewers say the depth of the tunnel is expected to be at least 55 feet 14 meters beneath the surface of the highway. You can see a graphic showing the expected path of the tunneling project, as well as an aerial shot of the Prufrock machine, along with the highlights about Prufrock and increased Model Y and Cybertruck production. The site also includes a new supercharger installation project, as well as continued construction on the southeast corner of the building. You can watch Tetmeyer's full drone video from Giga Texas below, as taken on Sunday. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslaupdate.